Everybody, and welcome to kit release day. It's really exciting around here, but we're not going to start with something new. So this, by popular demand, has been made into a kit with picture, one of our new featured kits, the new way we do kits. So one of our most popular classes ever, and it's an early chippy strip class. We'd only just released chippy strips not long before. So this Snow Princess castle, which is 3D, is new. Well, it's not new, it's had a revamp. Okay, so then we have last week's class from Friday night. And we've got that, and it's a kit pack. So there we go, that's what you get when you buy the kit. And then we have Thursday night's class from Naomi John, the card, so you get a nice big picture.
It's bigger than the card.
It is bigger than the card. It's definitely bigger than the card. And then we have last Tuesday night's Mega Fussy Cut class, and we sold out of these. So we have added extras to the online store, and this is the last time. So we don't usually do this with these type of kits, but kits are no longer unlimited. They are limited quantities, and we did add some extras because we sold out in record time. Now for the new stuff. So for Sunlovin, we have the first of the 3 kits for Sunlovin is, other than those 3 kits, is the trio of singles. So it's 3 single page layouts. Everything's in here, including some fabulous instructions. Look at this. And look at that. It's a decent size. It's not tiny. It's a decent size, easy to read, great instructions written by myself. And let's have a look at the 3 layouts. So you've got these 2.
Can we have the bottom one on top? Thank you.
And then we have this one, which has space for extra journaling or photographs in a pocket. So 3 layouts. How awesome is that? So a trio of singles. That is that one. The next one is backstory. Double kits were meant to start coming out in mid-2020. They didn't happen because we took off with the whole live class business and weekly class kits going nuts. So this is the first of the double kits, which were meant to start on the 1st of July 2020. So we have made it to double kits. They're a little different to how they were going to be. They've got awesome instructions. So this is one side and this is the other.
Plenty of photos.
Plenty of pictures and instructions. And then let's have a look at the 2 layouts. So double means you get 2 double page layouts. So we've got this one. Once again, Sunlovin is amazing to work with. And we've got this one.
And it features does it have a hacked hole in the back?
Yeah, of course. I tell you about that in the instructions. Of course there's a hole in the back. Last but definitely not least, we have not forgot our wonderful card makers. We have half a dozen cards. So the half a dozen cards kit has 6 cards, obviously. And you've got these 3 and these 3, and there's some little close-ups there. Okay, so it comes with instructions, once again. Decent sized instructions, not little tiny ones. Easy to read, easy to put in a folder and keep.
And full pictures of the cards.
Full pictures of the cards. They're not to scale because some of the cards are bigger than others. They all come with an envelope. So you've got this one. I've got a pile of envelopes here. And then we've got this one. Then we've got this one. this one, this one, and last but not least, I called this one Field of Grass. I had to name them all. Okay, so just, you know, yeah, don't show them my little pile here.
No, we'll do a bit of elevator music.
Landslide.
Elevator music.
So we have 3 new kits. We have the 3 kits from last week, one of which we've made more of, and then we have the 3 new kits. We have the trio of singles, the double, and the half a dozen cards. We know you'll love them because we do. And yeah, they're ready to go. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.